Let's create a class Deduplicate integers that provides functionality to remove duplicate integers from a list. We will write the main method quickly, as you are already aware that the main method is the entry point of program execution. Next, we will proceed to create an ArrayList object and populate it with numbers including duplicates. In the next line, we will print the original list. Now, we will create a method named removeDuplicates. This method will accept the original list as input and return the list without duplicates. We will create a HashSet object inside the method to store unique elements. Alright, now we will iterate through the list and add elements to the set, then convert the set back to a list to return the result. Finally, we will print the returned list to the console and verify the output. There we go. It's printed as expected.